Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix low FPS and lagging in Insurgency Sandstorm, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do, which is the most obvious and most effective way, is just by turning down your graphics settings. So everything, just set it to low or medium, and if it is on high, I recommend turning it to low or medium. And another thing I recommend doing is turning VSync off. If that is an option, go ahead and go over to settings and just turn VSync off. Now once you do all of that, another thing you guys can do is turn down your resolution as well, which I don't entirely recommend, but it will definitely give a massive performance boost. It just makes your game quality look worse, but other than that, it will give you a massive performance boost. Now another thing you guys can do is update your drivers, and you can do that in one of two ways. The first way is by going over to Device Manager. From the Device Manager, go over to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU, hit Update Driver, and then go ahead and choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Now that is one way of updating your drivers. Another way is by going over to the NVIDIA app. From here, going over to Drivers, going over to Download if there are any updates. And if you're on AMD, you can use the AMD equivalent app, or you can also just manually install them from a browser of your choice. Now once you do all of these methods, you guys should be good to go, and you can always restart your PC as well. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.